The absolute worst thing you can do in the morning is eat breakfast. Yep, the thing everyone says is healthy could be ruining your liver, spiking your insulin, and making you gain fat without even realizing it. Think about it. When you sleep, your body is fasting naturally. Your liver is busy releasing stored sugar, burning fat, and cleaning up damaged cells. There's even a process called autophagy, where your body recycles old cells into new ones. It's basically your body fixing itself while you rest. But the moment you eat in the morning, you stop all of that. Morning is actually the best time for fat burning because insulin is at its lowest. Even something like eggs and bacon, it nudges your insulin up, and most people go for the classic breakfast. The sweetened yogurt, fruit juice, cereal, pancakes, muffins, toast with jam, hash browns, maybe even Pop-Tarts that sends your blood sugar through the roof. Combine carbs with protein and insulin doubles. High insulin shuts off fat burning, causes your body to store fat, increases inflammation, fluid retention, visceral fat, cravings, stress hormones, and can damage your liver. Over time, it can even lead to insulin resistance, liver fibrosis, hormonal imbalances, hair loss, and fatigue. The list goes on. Think about how you feel mid-morning or mid-afternoon. Tired, hungry, reaching for snacks, and stressed. That roller coaster comes directly from the breakfast you ate. Or worse, the healthy one you think is safe. Here's what actually works. Skip breakfast. Eat 2 meals a day on a lower-carb diet. This forces your body to burn fat and ketones instead of relying on constant sugar. You'll stop craving snacks, reduce belly fat, improve liver health, and feel more energized and focused. Over time, your first meal naturally shifts to lunch, and you won't even feel hungry in the morning. Cut the carbs, eat only when you're truly hungry, and let your liver do its repair work. Within weeks, your energy, mood, waistline, and health will improve dramatically.